Hi, welcome. I have a question for you. Do you want to learn the secret of hypnosis? Do you want to become a master hypnotist? Do you want to learn techniques so that you can hypnotize people in 30 seconds or less and sometime in a second or two? Do you want to learn hypnosis to help others to come out of their problems and do content free, brief hypnotherapy? Do you want to learn hypnosis for fun, profit, and fame? Yes, fun, profit, and fame. You might have already seen a lot of videos on YouTube, so you know how does hypnosis look like and feel like. And now, are you really very curious to learn hypnosis after watching those videos? In fact, I have more than 900 videos on YouTube, and one of my video has more than 8 million views in last 2 years. Now my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. My experience of hypnosis is, in 1972, I first watched a stage hypnosis show and then I started learning hypnosis, and then I started teaching hypnosis in 1977. Now my friend, when I started learning hypnosis, there was no internet, no YouTube, not right books are also available, and not the right teacher. So I learned from the hard way. Now the good news is you don't need to do that, because this workshop which I am conducting now on 15th and 16th of December in Hyderabad 2018 in Hyderabad in Hotel Best Western Asoka Hotel in Lakdiga Pool, Hyderabad. Because what I have learned in last so many years by conducting so many workshops and doing a lot of experiment, I've made things very simple. I made these things so simple and easy to learn. So I'm conducting this workshop in 2 days in Hyderabad. And in this workshop, you're going to learn simple, powerful, easy technique by doing it. That means I'll give you a demo, you watch me doing it, then I explain it, and then you do it and practice on each other in the participants. By doing that, you'll already learn. This 2 full day workshop is a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. Let me tell you what you are going to learn in this 2 day workshop. Now this workshop starting on 15th of December 2018, morning 9 o'clock to evening 6, and on 16th also same timing, 9 to evening 6. Now in this workshop, when you come there, you have to be there by 8:30 and 9 o'clock the workshop starts. The first thing you will learn there about your conscious mind and subconscious mind and how it is being programmed. Then you will learn, or you will know about the myths about hypnosis. What is hypnosis not. And people have a lot of myths about hypnosis, that's what you are going to know about it. And then I'll give you a demo of instant hypnotic inductions, and then explain to you how I did. And then you will learn self-hypnosis, a very powerful method called Newton method. You will learn by doing it in the workshop, so that you can go into self-hypnosis in a few seconds, program your mind, and then come out and the programming remains. The whole process will take between 1 minute to 3 minutes depending on your programming. I practice self-hypnosis every day, twice or thrice a day. Then you will be practicing yourself, and then you will be doing on each other. That will be your first hypnotic induction on others. And it's so simple and easy. You just watch me and then do it. And then you will learn how to give a pre-talk. Pre-talk is very important. Before you hypnotize somebody, you have to give a pre-talk, and then how to build a rapport with the other person or the person you want to hypnotize them. And then you will learn the symptoms of hypnosis. How you will know the person is hypnotized? Watching certain symptoms, I explain to you, and then when you are doing on others, you observe those symptoms. And then we get in something very interesting. Hypnotic imagination games. Now in hypnosis we call them suggestibility test, but test we don't use it. We call it imagination game, so it's become fun for everybody, for you and the person you are doing on them. Now you will learn, and I will give you a demo, explain to you, and then practicing on each other. Now you will learn a lot of fun games. Let me give you an example. Finger stuck, light and heavy hand, magnetic hand, they are coming closer, then they stuck. Hand claps, they are not able to separate their hands. rigid arm, they're so stiff and rigid that they can't bend it, falling backward, falling forward, plus many more. And you will learn by doing it. Now, you can do this thing, eyes open or eyes closed. And then we get into Elman induction, a very powerful method which takes around 3.5 minutes to put a person into deep stage of hypnosis. I'll give you a demo, I'll explain to you, and then you'll be practicing on each other, and then you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis, how to do hypnotic anesthesia, and then we get into finger movement. We program the finger for yes or no signal on yourself, and then you will do it on others, and then you will learn how to use this technique for brief hypnotic therapy, brief hypnotherapy, content-free hypnotherapy. You don't need to know the problem, but still you can do it. You can help the person. And then you will learn the pendulum, how to communicate with your subconscious mind for yourself and for others. And then you will learn very important thing called pre-hypnotic suggestion. You learn how to, there are 3 kinds of suggestion: pre-hypnotic suggestion, hypnotic suggestion during the trance given, and during the trance the suggestion given will have an effect after the trance. This is a very powerful thing. This is not a pre-talk, it is a pre-hypnotic suggestion, which is the most powerful thing which you can do. Then you learn how to use hypnosis on children. Then you will learn how to create a magic spot for anesthesia, and you will learn how to do hypnotic anesthesia on others also. Now, these are the techniques you are going to learn on the first day by doing it, plus many more. As the time constraint, I cannot tell you everything what we are going to do there. And then the next day morning, you will learn about precautions you need to take when you're doing hypnosis, and then there are few things, if something happens there during the session, how to handle them. And then we get into instant hypnosis. The first day, the Dave Elman and Newton is called rapid induction. We will take from 1 minute to 3 minutes. Instant means instant. You will learn how to do instant hypnosis, what are the things to keep in your mind, rules for instant hypnosis inductions, and then I'll give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will practice on each other. I will teach you and give you a demo of different methods of instant induction. Each induction you will be practicing on each other. Now my friend, on the first day, whatever you have learned is a rapid induction which you can go home and do it on somebody. Instant induction, you start doing it on the second day. And then we get into non-verbal induction. That means without using any word, how you can hypnotize somebody. Then you will learn how to convert imagination game into hypnosis. Yes, the games you learn on the first day, you will learn how to convert them into instant hypnosis. Then a method which I developed called pretending hypnosis, and an oriental pressure point method, and then utilizing the previous trance. Now my friend, if somebody has been hypnotized before, you don't need to hypnotize the person again. You can utilize the previous trance, a very advanced, very powerful technique which you learn in the workshop. Then you learn how to give lecture demonstration. Now, once you learn hypnosis, when you start giving demo with having fun with the family, friends and members, then you start doing hypnosis. You can give, people may call you, Lions Club, like Rotary Club, there are different clubs and associations, they may call you for a talk. You can give them a talk about hypnosis and the mind power, and then give them a demonstration of instant hypnosis. Then we get into advanced methods of hypnosis called Ericksonian hypnosis, pattern interrupt. We learn 2 methods, and then you will learn how to do a change work, how you can do a change work. Then you learn a different method for part therapy, how you can help the people by using a part therapy, again content-free therapy. And then you will learn waking hypnosis. Yes, waking hypnosis, and I'll give you a demo, explain to you how to do it, and then you will be practicing in the workshop. Then you will learn about how to give powerful suggestions like super suggestion, links, loops and chains. And then you will learn using imagery for healing, different methods for pain control, 7 common reasons why you get psychosomatic and physical problems. Now my friend, one more thing which you are going to learn there is a part of the workshop, because you're becoming a master hypnotist, you need to have some more tools in your bag. The certain tool will be, you can do something called pseudo hypnosis. It's called a body magic. It looks like hypnosis, but somebody there party in front, you can start with that, like nobody can push you. You can take out the energy, lift the people with the 4 fingers, They're stuck to the chair. Lot of interesting things you will learn by doing it, so that you can start having fun immediately when you learn these techniques. Now, my friend, this is a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. Remember, my friend, if you're coming to the workshop, if you just want to watch me, watch my videos on YouTube. Don't need to come. You only come to the workshop when you are ready to practice on each other and experience and then learn. Every time in the 2-day workshop, you will do hypnosis number of times. And each time when you do that, you will develop confidence. In fact, on the first day, at the end of the day, when you go back home, you can start practicing hypnosis and start doing on others. And after this 2-day workshop, you have become a powerful hypnotist. You will practice, and you can start making fun with your family friend. When you go to the party or friends meeting or somewhere, lazily you're sitting there, you can start having fun with imagination game and then in hypnosis. And you will instantly become popular. And you can start making money by teaching self-hypnosis or giving a demonstration or entertainment. Or you can start doing a kind of helping people, like removing their fear and phobias, then doing content-free therapy. All these things you can start using it. So my friend, it's a powerful workshop where you learn by doing it. Now, important thing here, at the time of recording this video, we are taking only 25 people in the seminar. In last workshop, my Hypno-NLP workshop a week before, we have wanted only 25 people, but 32 people turned up and 7 more people came. At the end, we refused them to come. Now, this workshop, the moment we announced it on our website, out of 25, 10 seats are already gone. It's only 4 days. We announced it. And now, if you delay registration, you may not get a seat, because we don't want to be overfull of workshop. Within 4-5 days or within a week's time of recording this video, I'm sure the workshop will be full. Now, the fee for the workshop includes something very interesting. You'll get a manual, a thick manual, which will have more than around 60, 75 pages, lot of material, and then after 2 days you get a certificate from Institute of Mind Control and Development. Plus, if you register immediately and take action right now, you get a bonus material, a DVD, Elman Induction, live recorded, Developing a Rapport Technique, live recorded program, Hypnosis and Self-Hypnosis, 2.5 hour live recorded program, and then you'll get an MP3 of my live recorded 2 full-day workshop, which are recorded many years back, around full-day workshop. With that time I use a lot of meditations. You will get this video also as a free. Plus, I created a DVD course for udemy.com. I have 208 courses there, and I have a student in 170 countries. This is an imagination game for fun. There are 6 or 7 demo. I'll explain to you and you can practice this. And then plus you get around 20 powerful ebooks, totally worth around 12,000 rupees. You will register when you register right now, and the fees is, normal fees is 20,000 rupees, but right now, as I'm doing in Hyderabad, I live in Hyderabad, it is only 9,000 till 3rd of December. After that, it will be 12,000 rupees. So please register right now. If you delay, you may not get a seat also. And we are going to have a lot of fun in the workshop, plus some more bonuses I cannot disclose in the video right now. You will only get when you attend the workshop. And it is a fun workshop. You will really enjoy, and you will learn something more powerful, and you will be a powerful hypnotist at the end of the workshop. So my friend, if your goal is to have fun, you want to learn hypnosis for fun, fame and money, this is the workshop for you. So register right now. If you're watching this video on YouTube, share it with your friends, like it, the button, and please click on the bell, so that every time I conduct a new video, you'll get a knowledge that I've created one, and I'm going to create a lot of powerful videos where I'll be teaching you techniques. And if you're watching, and then click on the link to my website and register right now using the pay you money button. If you're watching it on Facebook, please again share it and like it, and then register and go to my website and register. If you're watching this on my website right now, go down and there's a pay you money button, register with your credit card and register right now, and we'll have a lot of fun in the workshop. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the workshop on 15th of December, 8:30 at Hotel Best Western Asoka, Lakadi Kapur. Thank you very much and see you on that day. All the best.